Hi love, welcome to this heart and heart love in love hairstyle. So I'm quickly going to show you how to achieve this heart braid, and it is quite easy. Please watch to the end so that you won't end up with uneven sides, and you will see the little maneuvering I did to be able to achieve the hairstyle. So I section off a little part at the back of the hair. This helps a lot if you have a problem having your all back braids lying flat at the back of the head. So this helps. And then I section the that back part into two, making sure it goes down in the middle of the neck, and then make the upwards pattern. As you can see, this is going to be the middle of the heart. So I start off making the heart shape from the smallest one inside. And if you have a problem with making out this shape, I am just eyeballing it here, but if you want a detailed video of how to braid a heart, then it will be linked at the end of this video. You can watch it to get like the tips I gave to get the perfect heart shape, to make sure they are even, to make sure it comes out fine, and that tail of the braid doesn't rise up. So that video will be attached to the end screen. So when I braid this left hand side, I am going to cross it past the middle line onto the right hand side. Okay, this is going to make the tail of the heart to be pointed. If you don't do that, your heart may look like an apple, like the bottom part will not be pointed. So I will just let you keep watching from here, and you are going to see all the maneuvering I do. You're going to see them in the video, and you will see how I was finally able to come up with the design. Please do not skip the ads so that I can make some money from this video, and I really appreciate you if you can and as you do that. Okay, thanks babe.